zeroed, load failed, error occurred while trying to load save. Header 1. Restart your PC and game. Close Forza Horizon 6 completely. Restart your computer normally. Relaunch the game and check the save again. Chart 2. Check Xbox account sync. Sign into the correct Xbox Microsoft account. Wait for cloud save syncing to finish fully. Avoid interrupting the sync process. 3. Verify game files. Open Steam or Xbox app. Go to Forza Horizon 6 Properties. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. 4. Backup save files. Open the Forza Horizon save folder. Copy all save files to a safe backup location. Keep backup before making any changes. 5. Delete corrupted save cache. Remove damaged temporary save cache data. Keep important backup saves safe. Relaunch the game to create fresh cache files. Or 6. Reset Xbox app and gaming services. Open settings, apps. Repair or reset Xbox app and gaming services. Restart your PC afterward. Hasher 7. Check internet stability. Use a stable wired or strong Wi-Fi connection. Restart your router if internet disconnects occur. Disable VPN or proxy services temporarily. 8. Update Windows and GPU drivers. Install the latest Windows updates. Update NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics drivers. Restart the system after updates finish. Card 9. Run the game as administrator. Right-click the game shortcut. Select Run as Administrator. Also run Xbox app or Steam with admin rights. 10. Reinstall the game if error persists. Uninstall Forza Horizon 6 completely. Delete leftover game cache folders carefully. Install a fresh copy of the game again.